If you're seeing the Google Drive error saying folder contents are not uploaded, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your files showing properly again. This is usually caused by a temporary loading issue, an unstable internet connection, an incomplete upload, browser cache problems, extensions interfering, or simply uploading too many files at once. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, refresh Google Drive. If you're on Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+R to reload the page, then open the folder again and check whether the missing contents appear. In many cases, the issue is just a temporary sync or loading problem, and a refresh is enough to bring everything back. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step and check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and avoid disconnecting while files are uploading. Interrupted uploads are one of the most common reasons Google Drive shows a folder but not the actual contents inside it. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try reconnecting, switching networks, or waiting until your connection is more reliable before trying again. Next, re-upload any missing files. If you can see a failed or incomplete upload, delete it first, then upload the folder or individual files again. Sometimes some items never uploaded correctly in the first place, so Google Drive may show the folder name but not all of the contents. Re-uploading the missing files often fixes the issue immediately. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Google Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cookies and cached images and files, then restart the browser and go back to Google Drive. Old browser data can sometimes stop Drive from loading folder contents properly, so this step is very important. If the problem still continues, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private window, then sign in again and try opening the folder there. Incognito Mode helps you test whether browser extensions, stored cache, or profile issues are causing the error. If the folder loads correctly in Incognito, then one of your extensions is likely interfering with Google Drive. Finally, if the folder contains a huge number of files, upload them in smaller batches. Large uploads can fail partially, which means the folder might appear in Drive, but some of the contents never finish uploading. Splitting the files into smaller folders or uploading them in groups can make the process much more reliable. So to recap, the best fixes are refresh Google Drive, check your internet, re-upload missing files, clear browser cache and cookies, test Incognito Mode, and upload smaller batches when needed. These steps solve most Google Drive folder content errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Google Drive fixes and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.